So this is 2022-23 Series 2 value packs. I just opened 7 of them. I opened that one as well, but that'll be in another video. And this is a theme. Somebody would say, hey, a lot of young guns are in here. Is that a theory? No, it's not true. It is a lie. It's false. It is just for you to get caught in the theme of being a thief, pretty much. Why? Because you assume each one of these are in a Young Guns, but there's not. You get canvas, you get everything, and then you get blanks. So I'm doing it this way to show you what I got. Okay? Ready? Okay. So let's continue this video, show you what I got. So in this pack, we just got the Welcome to Vegas, the Lucky Champions. Mark Stone, Jeff Eichel, and who's 27? This one, blank. It was just all base. This one, again, all base, just with a Sidney Crosby base. This one, we had an Austin Matthews base, and usually when there's an Austin Matthews or a Connor McDavid, there's always a Young Gun. But there's no Young Gun on that pack, but there was a Dazzler of Wyatt Johnson. Next pack, Thief. It's called Series 2 Checklist. Okay. Of Nathan MacKinnon and Leah Draisaitl. We had a good card called the UD Canvas Program of Excellence with Owen Powers Jr. We hit the Carey Price base. There you go. Next pack. We hit a canvas. A UD canvas of Tyler Toffoli. And a Series 1 checklist of Charlie McAvoy and Moritz Seider. And then the next pack, and the last pack, we only hit one card, is the World Juniors grad of Tim Stützle. So like, subscribe, and comment, and there'll be more to come, and this was a fake myth. Bye-bye.